First of all, I would like to thank my mother for planning all of this. Sa tingod lang, dili ko doon ako gusto mag-dibo. Gusto ko ka ng, tagaan ako ng cash o palitan ko ng iPhone 14. Pero, karon nga na ko ni, this is so much better, okay? Na-feel na ko ang inyong love sa pag-adto sa ko birthday. Next is kay JR for doing this day off. Ma-appreciate jud ako kay gwapo jud kaayo sa kong family sa Digos nga nagbiyahe pa patulong dire. Thank you kayo sa efforts. Palangga jud kay ko ninyo sa akong dance sport family. Thank you so much. Thank you. Sa akong mga classmates, tingnan ako si Jason. Thank you, Jason, sa mag-adto dire. Yes. Sa ako ang family, na si Mami, daghan kay siya sleepless nights sa ako ang tita, nalibiyahe pa diri. Sa Sakay family, thank you so much, Sakay, Kanyete, Amores, Danadanan. Sa Lim family, thank you so much. Thank you, Tita, for your unending love and support. Since I was a child, you were my second mother. Thank you, thank you. Isa pa?
Kuya Neil. Kuya Neil.
Thank you sa tanan. Thank you kayo. I'm so happy tonight and I hope you are too. Thank you so much. I'm so blessed to have all of you witness my 18th journey. Lastly, I would like to thank Almighty God for giving me such wonderful life and family and people that love me so much. Thank you. I am so blessed and I am loved by all of you. That's all. Thank you.